Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reza Pradana and I'm from class 04 TPLP 019, and in this video I will give a tutorial on how to install Linux on VirtualBox. In the first, you must download the Linux. Download the Linux file in the form of an issue in the browser. You can download Linux in this website https://ubuntu.com, and in for the download, and in here you can click in here and in this here, but I have already Ubuntu in here. And the next, open VirtualBox. If you have not VirtualBox, you must download it first and click new in here. Fill the name with Linux. Click next. For base memory and processor hardware according to the needs and capacity of each computer, click next. In here, base memory, I will choose 4 GB and processor for 2 CPU. Click next. In virtual hard disk, I will choose 25 GB and click next and finish. After that, the Linux configuration will appear on the left panel. Then click Setting in the Linux Ubuntu. Click Storage, and in Control ID in Empty, click the disk icon on the left and choose the disk file and choose Linux Ubuntu which was downloaded earlier. Click Open and click OK. Then after that, click Start and wait for Linux to open. In this section, select the English language, which can be adjusted according to individual preference, and select Install Ubuntu. Then, for the keyboard layout, select English, but you can adjust your preference. But in here, I'm choose English US and click Continue. In this section, you can choose a normal installation. And in the other option, you can choose this. And click Continue. In this installation type, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. And then install now. In this, click Continue. In the section, select a location, where I currently choose Jakarta. And then click Continue. In this, you can enter your name and your computer name and pick username. And you enter your password. In this, you can choose login automatically and click Continue. And Wait until the installation process is complete. And until installation is complete, you need restart. And you click restart now. In here you can press enter and wait until Linux restart. In online account you can just skip and use next and next again and done. Linux has finished it installing and Linux can be run in VirtualBox. So that's my Linux install tutorial. Sorry for my mistake and thanks for watching.